Our project is called Automated Voice Assistant. It is about assisting the visually impaired to book doctor's appointments. This is a web scraper that goes through the clinic or hospital's website and inputs values into the fields according to the user's audio input and submits the form to create the appointment. There can be potential criticisms to our project. Why can't we just call the clinic or hospital and create the appointment? This is because it is inefficient, there are long waiting times, and there is difficulty understanding voice or accents. Moreover, you cannot book appointments after field hours, which doesn't occur with our software. There can be potential future developments for our software. We want to expand it to other websites so that it is compatible with more clinics and more hospitals. We also want to book appointments beyond medicine. There is also scope to expand it to more languages so that it is more accessible for everyone. And we also want to integrate our software with Alexa. Thank you. I will now be giving a demonstration of our project using Python script on the terminal, just how the user would input it.
Are you a new patient?
Yes.
Full name.
John Smith.
Email.
abc123@ks.edu.
Phone, including alternate numbers.
216-216-2167.
Describe the nature of your appointment.
Dental appointment.
Day, S, you would prefer, closed on Fridays.
Monday.
Explain any special preferences for times that work for you.
None. As we can see, my input values have been added to the website and the form has been submitted, just as it would for a visually impaired person. Thank you.